Hi guys, I'm Gia. Welcome to my class. Have you ever been confused with 会 and 能? Today we will learn how to use them correctly. Firstly, 会 emphasize on mastering a certain ability through learning. Okay, let's see some examples. 他会游泳，他会拉二胡。会 There are three patterns used in daily life. Firstly, affirmative. Sub plus 会 plus verb. Negative. Sub plus 不会 plus verb. Interrogative. Sub plus 会不会 plus verb or sub plus 会 plus verb plus 吗 Let's see some example. Firstly, 他不会游泳。他会不会游泳？他会游泳吗 ？Now the second example. 他不会拉二胡。他会不会拉二胡？他会拉二胡吗？会 have another function indicating a certain possibility used in an event that has not happened, while none don't have such function. Let's see example. 别担心，我会照顾好我自己。Now we turn to 能。It indicates that ability reaches a certain degree, level, or efficiency. For example, 大卫一顿能吃40个饺子。我一个星期能看完一本书。Let's learn more function of 能。When recovering a certain ability, use 能 cannot use 会 For example, 马克的腿好了，他又能游泳了。Let's continue. When indicating that it is reasonable to allow or not to allow, use 能 or 不能。会 don't have this function. Okay, now let's see some example. 玛丽昨天生病了，不能来上学。今天病好了，能来上学。In daily life, it needs to use three patterns of 能. Firstly, affirmative, sub plus 能 plus verb. Negative, sub plus 不能 plus verb. Interrogative, there are two forms. The first one, sub plus 能不能 plus verb, or sub plus 能 plus verb plus 吗 Let's see some example. 喝酒了不能开车。大卫一顿能吃40个饺子吗？你一星期能看完一本书吗？能，不能。Okay, now let's make a summary. Firstly, the similarities of 会 and 能. Firstly, both indicating to master a certain ability. Second, both are willing verbs. Now let's see the differences. Firstly, 会 emphasize on mastering a certain ability through learning, while 能 indicating that ability reaches a certain degrees, level, or efficiency. Second difference. 会 会 indicating a certain possibility used in an event that has not happened, while 能 don't have this function. Okay, the third one, 能 can be used when mentioned about covering a certain ability, but 会 don't have this function. The last one, 能 can be used when indicating that it is reasonable to allow, but 会 don't have this function. We also learned the 3 patterns of 会 and 能. If you are not familiar with them, you can watch this video several times. It is suggestible that you make your own sentences with what we have learned in this class. You can write your sentences in the comments. Any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. 再见。